What's up? What's going on, everybody? I hope everybody's having a great night, great day, depending where you are at in the world. I hope your day is great. Let's talk about UnOdex today, guys. You guys know that UnOdex is trying to be that all-in-one exclusive trading platform for you. They've launched on the ERC20 network where you can trade all of your ERC20 tokens. They've launched on the Solana network as well, where you can trade all of your Solana tokens. BSC is coming next, guys, coming very soon. We went through a couple videos here on this channel already about an overview of what UnOdex is, also how to buy on UnOdex using the market buys, the limit buys, things like that. We've also done a couple just tutorial videos as well, so go ahead and check them out on the channel if you haven't watched them already. But today we're going to sell some tokens, guys. We're going to go over some stuff that UnOdex has to offer that's very unique to this platform. We're going to put in some limit sells. We're going to put in some stop loss sells, guys. We're going to do these things all on UnOdex, guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead. Let's get right into it. Let's get after it. So we're over here on the platform, guys. We are logged in. We've connected our wallet. We are ready to rock and roll. Those of you guys who don't know, to get it in the landing page, you connect your wallet. We are on our test wallet, guys. As you guys can see, I've been testing a couple things out over here. You've just been testing some things out on the Solana network. But we're going to go ahead. We're going to use Punk A. I bought Punk A. We're going to go ahead. We're going to use Punk A. You can go ahead. I'm on a dashboard. I clicked on Punk A. It's going to give me the contract address right here up top already, guys. So that's beautiful that it automatically fills that in. It's going to take us down here to the chart too. Chart from TradingView. Going to take us down here to the chart. We can see that we're on the right chart. Look at the price action. You can set this for whatever time frame you want. It's defaulted to set to a second. But we don't look at the second chart. Look at the hour chart, 4-hour chart. Pull it back, see what it's really doing. That's what we do. That's what traders do. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna come down in here, and we're gonna concentrate on selling. Right? We do a market trade, guys. Your market trades. Them are just instant trades, right? We've been through them. We know what them are. But we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take some profit, right? We're going to do a take profit trade, guys. So we own the token. We're going to go ahead. We're going to take some profit, right? You got your little slider down here, right? It's going to tell you how much do you want to take profit, right? How many of your tokens do you want to sell and take profit, right? Let's say we take 50%, right? You set that at 50%. Move your slider on over. It's going to ask you, the minimum of Solana that you want back, right? So how much do you want back, right? Let's just say that we want, I don't know. I don't even know. I forgot to look what we had in there, but let's say we want to back ourselves back a 0.5 Solana, right? It's going to tell us, what the current rate is. It's going to tell us what we're going to have to sell at to get that. And down here, interesting, it's going to tell us what our profit rate is to get that 0.5 Solana, right? It's going to tell us that, that's right around 300 something percent, return. And then you're going to go ahead, you're going to set some slippage. It's 0.00 tax, but I like to go with 10. I like to go with 10. You never know what's going on out there, right? And you never know what the volume is. Down here is a new upgrade. You can set your Solana gas fee, very high, depending if you want to jump in line. Tell you the truth, guys, I don't really mess with this too much. And if I do, I always use medium, depending on what token we're in. But today we're just going to hit a take profit. And we're going to go ahead and create the sell order, right? Get a little thing down here that says successfully created, right? So you successfully created this trade order for half of your Solana. For half of your Punk A at 0.5, right? You come down here, you look, it says, on 3/9/2024, Punk A, you got your sell order. That's what this is right here. Sell tells you what the current price is, tells you what your sell, tells you where how many tokens that is, and it tells you the amount right here. And there's your trade order. You set your trade order, guys. So it's literally that easy to set a take profit order on any token. And this is the same on Ethereum as it is on Solana. So you can do the same thing and set it up the same way on Ethereum as you do Solana. Just make sure you leave enough gas, guys. Make sure you leave enough gas for that transaction. So that's very key, and people forget that. So we'll be right back, and we'll be able to put in a stop loss. So let's go ahead and let's put in a stop loss, guys. Let's put in a stop loss for the same token. You know, we'll operate on the same on the same thing here. Same token, same routine, right? So you see, we're in the take profit section, right? So we're not going to take profit. We're going to make sure that the token doesn't drop below a certain value, right? We'll make sure it doesn't drop below a certain value, right? So we're going to say the amount to sell, right? Let's say we're going to sell 100%. You know, you hit this little up arrow, it's going to give you all of the tokens in your wallet, right? And you're going to move that over to 100%. Let's say 100%, right? And then we're going to say, here, we're going to say if the price drops below, you know, a certain amount, right? So we here, you know, if it drops below $10, right? So if we lose $10, you know, if it drops below $10 of where we're currently at, right? Of where we're currently at, right? You see it's red here, so you see, you know, minus 5%. So you're willing to lose 5%, right? And then you hear it's, you know, 35% of what you got, right? So you're taking you keep lowering that down, right? Till you get all the way over here, right? So, you know, we're gonna say that, you know, we're gonna say we'll keep it there. You know, we'll keep the, you know, actually we'll move the bar all the way over, you know, and then you come up here and it's gonna tell you, you know, the stop loss is at, you know, 0.059, right? The current price, right? The current price, the market price is 0.059. So this is telling you that this is a bad trade. That's why I moved that all over. I wanted to show you that, right? So as we move this slider, right, it's telling you that your stop loss is now at 0.49, right? You know, so you come down here, you're coming down, right? So you're willing to take 38%, right? No, we don't want to take that. We don't want to lose 38% of our money, right? 6%, right? So, you know, when you get to this certain point right here where you're comfortable with where the numbers line up, right? Then you're able to put your stop loss in. You set your slippage at 10%, and then you create your order, right? You create the order. It's going to show up right down here. It's going to say stop loss. You created your order, guys. It literally taking a stop loss is that simple, and making a take profit is that simple, right? So when we take profit, we're telling it that at a certain price, right? We want to take half of our tokens, and we want to get so much Solana, or we want to take 100% of our profit for so much Solana, right? So that's how you maneuver through the UnDex platform for selling tokens, right? So I want to take you guys back to the dashboard real quick, because we're going to cover this in more detail on a later video, but I want to bring it to your attention, right? So when you're over here on the Solana network or the Ethereum network, this is what you call a token scanner, right? We're familiar with token scanners, good, bad contracts, right? Well, UnDex has integrated this into their platform, guys. And this is what it is. These are all the new tokens that are launching on the Solana network, right? And it's telling you whether the red, this is unlock liquidity, you know, so on and so forth. So it's giving you what the token contract reads, and it's also giving you a score. This one's 40. So the higher the score, right, the bigger the risk, you know, the bigger the risk. Like this one here is 20, you know, bounced on me. This one here is 20. This one's 40. Obviously, you're going to take much bigger risk at 40, at 60, you know, 90. This one's guaranteed to rug, you know, this one guaranteed to rug. So, you know, the bigger the number, the more risk you're going to take, right? So that's what these things are for. You know, a lot of people have asked what these are. These are actually token screeners, and it tells you this contract is launching in 4 minutes. it launched 4 minutes ago, right? And if you want to see what it's doing, you just click on it. It'll take you right on over here. It'll take you right to the chart, right? And it'll show you. Look at it launched 4 minutes ago. So the big green candle, not doing too bad, right? If you look at it from the hour view, go to the second view, not doing too bad, right? So, if you chose to get into this token, you could get in right now if you wanted to. But that's what that is. That's token scanner, guys. And we'll go over that in a little bit more detail in another video. But with that, if you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a like, give me a share, give me a comment too, and let me know what you guys think of UnODex. And if you like this content, go ahead and give me a subscription, guys. But with that, go ahead and make sure you guys like, comment, and share, and let me know what you guys think. And I appreciate you guys' time. You guys have a great night. We'll be back at you guys with another UnODex video, and very excited about this project, guys. This project is really starting to change DeFi, guys. DeFi trader, guys. Everything you need. So with that, have a great night. I'm out.